everyone, and welcome back to Delisha's Academy. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you my preparation haul for the upcoming videos and all the upcoming activities or resources that will be used in this video. Now in this video I will be showing you some items that I got from C&I bookstores and also Charon's bookstore. So it's going to be a mix of items from either bookstore. Okay, so our first item, I got 10 pieces of Bristol Board at C&I bookstore. Okay, I got 10 pieces. I got some blue, yellow, green and pink. So I got some different colors. My next object will be some tape, Scotch tape or masking tape. Got this priced at about $24 for this roll, which is, I find, a decent price. I got this scissors priced at $16.95. okay, I got the scissors, and I also got me some markers. Now with these markers I have about 3 blue markers, Stadler markers or Stadler markers, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I got a green marker, also a red marker to highlight or make a difference between the normal blues or black. And I also got some Faber-Castell markers. I got 2 of those markers. Now with the Stadler markers, I actually love the chisel point in this marker. It helps to make writing effortless, and it's really does a charming job. Okay, I decided to get me as well 3 whiteboard markers. Now these items I will be going forward with are from Charon's, so I got them for $7, a red, black and blue whiteboard marker. I also got this poster paint priced at $44. Now this is a really nice poster paint. This is the 12 pack I would have gotten. I've used this already and I find it's really a beautiful set of paint. So I got me some more for my preparation videos with you all. I got myself some palette sticks. They are different colors: purple, orange, green, blue, yellow and red. So got these at Charon's priced at $10. And also I got a sketch pad priced at $18. So these are some items that I got from Charon's and C&I's bookstore in my preparation to making my videos. Okay, so like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and make sure to share these videos with anyone that you know, persons interested and persons who would love to help their own children maybe. Okay, so make sure to follow these steps and I would see you in our next video. Bye now.